US, UK, and Germany indices traded massively bearish yesterday. The Tech 100, which is bleeded on Monday, has tried to keep itself within a narrow zone. While if you talk about the Nasdaq, if you talk about the Dow Jones, the S&P, the Germany40 and FTSE 100, all bleeded sharp, but have posted now a good recovery. Big day today. The inflation data gonna run the show, gonna rock the show, and which direction it's gonna take the markets, we're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day. The next update will be released before the US session for US indices. Before the inflation data releases, do not miss to watch it. Thus, subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first. We look into S&P, followed with Nasdaq, then Dow. In the end, Germany40 and lastly UK 100. Watch till see what S&P has done here, hitting the lows here. It has recovered sharp lower highs and it is under retracement as of now. Now it is very important for it to trade above 5600 levels. Only and only if you see S&P trading above 5600, you can expect slight bullishness, and then to on the upside 5620 and 5640 levels are going to remain two critical levels for it to break past by. Any move beyond 5640 is a clear sign of further bullishness here, where we can expect it to head all the way towards 5700. Right now the stance is not so aggressively bullish. Stochastic looking downwards while the MACD has crossed over for a buy, looking upwards trying to suggest slight bullishness. The RSI is not indicative anything of as of now. Coming to the 2 hour, look at the 2 hour charts here. What has happened after retracement? It is showing a reversal sign, trying to erase some of the gains here. Remember, any break beyond 56, 5620 and 5640, these are the three key levels on the upside. If it breaks beyond 5640 any point of time today with the data after the US session or before the US session, you can just stay bullish from there. Notice what's happening here. The 20 period and 40 period are offering it a greater resistance, and now we have seen lower lows coming into picture here. So right now the stance is bearish here, but I will say a recovery cannot be denied if it breaks beyond 5620, 5640 zone. Stochastic rising here. The MACD has just crossed over and it is trying to recover some of the lost ground here. RSI comfortable. On the 3 hour chart, the observation is more or less same here. You can notice these two candles almost lows are done. It can possibly bounce back. It can possibly rise here. And thus, once you see it is staying beyond 5600, you can just stay bullish for 5620, 5640 levels. And any move beyond 5640 is a clear sign of reversal. Yes, the indicators are starting to show a bit of rise. The MACD also has almost crossed over. This is on the verge of a crossover. This could mean a serious reversal. RSI coming out of the oversold zone on the 4 hour. Similar observation here on the 4 hour charts. See, only worry point is the divergence of the price from the 20 period. Though the 20 period has climbed down sharp and is now sitting at 5660 levels, but notice the formation after the big drop or retracement. Again, a big drop. It is trying to retrace. This could mean a little retracement. However, as long as now 5640 zone is not taken, do not treat this as bullish. The stochastic trying to rise. The MACD is right now trading bearish and trying to converge. RSI sitting at the bottom. Coming to the daily chart. On the daily charts, notice preceding candle is a swing candle and also it is delivered lower highs, lower lows. Now, see, first massively bearish candle, then a swing candle, and current candle might take it further low. Further low means 5500 is possible, but where you should consider this for a sell. So if you see S&P trading below 55 uh, 60 levels, you can expect a little bearishness here, and specifically any move below 5540 should confirm that now we are looking forward to 5500 levels. As long as 5500, because see, this time if it breaks below 5500, this is going to deliver increasingly bearish move here, which can in fact take the prices further low. How low? It can in fact move towards 5480, 5450 zone. Stochastic here is oversold, but the MACD right now is trading with divergence and bearishness, then the RSI is oversold as well. So on the daily charts, things are getting oversold. But remember the times when we had seen things getting overbought or staying overbought for weeks and months. So these are the times when it can stay on the oversold sign for the weeks and months. And considering this, now first where you should buy, I will recommend you to buy here at 5586 levels. Expect 5594, 5602. And if 5594, 5602 zone is taken, stay bullish for 5620. First target zone, 563840, the second target zone. Any move beyond 5640 is a clear sign of further rise towards 5660, and then beyond 5660, just stay bullish for 5700, 5720. Though chances are less that it is going to deliver such a strong reversal. But yes, right now, a little retracement cannot be denied. However, the complete reversal is going to be difficult. On the downside, a selling entry now I'll recommend is at 5572 levels. Expect 556460 as the first target zone, 5548, 5540 the second levels here, and below 5540 is where the bearishness should prevail. You can look forward to 5520 and 5500 levels. Below 5500, a massive correction all the way towards 5460, 5450 could be there. Be mindful, these are markets, anything and everything is possible. Trade accordingly. Let's move to Nasdaq Tech 100 on the hourly chart. See what is happening here. After retracing all the way towards 50 period, it is just delivering higher lows and higher highs. Just connect the dots, you'll find this formation here. Now on the upside, it is very important for Tech 100 to breach beyond 19,600 levels. So 19,600 is one hurdle. It needs to break 19,600, 660. If it takes away, you can say that the bulls are back, and you can look forward to 19,710 or 800 levels. Right now I can see it is struggling to trade bullish. See, every rise is offset with a stronger correction. Now look at the last few candles here. This is how it has been trading, and thus now if you see, it is staying below 19,360, 340 zone. Stay short from there. Expect 19,280, 300. And if 19,280, 300 is taken, then 19,200 will appear. Any drop below 19,200 is a clear sign of more bearishness. Indicators: the stochastic looking downwards, while the MACD under retracement trying to look upwards. The RSI is running flat. Coming to 2 hour chart. On the 2 hour chart, similar observation. Notice the formation: drop, retracement, lower highs, higher lows are seen. A bit of consolidation is seen here, and thus at least till 19,600 you have to be cautious with the buying entries. And now see what is happening after a retracement. It is trying to erase the gains again. Only bearishness I will recommend. Only selling entry should be below 19,363, 40 zone. Stochastic rising, the MACD rising, the RSI is running flat. Not much of indication here from indicators. And on the 3 hour chart, similar observation here. Notice the important point here is the drop, retracement. Though lower highs are seen, but I can also focus on the higher highs. So if you connect this, you will find lower highs, while in the near term it is delivering slight bullishness, hitting the highs here. Now 19,600 is one milestone. It needs to break in order to turn bullish today. Let's wait for this to take a direction. Even if you see it is staying above 19,460, you can buy for 19,500, 540, 600. Yes, the stochastic is flat, while the MACD has crossed over here at the bottom, trading with bullishness here, while the RSI is running almost flat. And on the 4 hour, similar observation on the 4 hour charts here. Nothing different what we had seen on smaller time frames. The MACD is here at the bottom as well, waiting for a crossover. Coming to daily, on the daily charts, very important point here to note is, see, every drop follows with a little retracement. Every drop follows with a little retracement or consolidation, and the bearishness is getting increased. The moving averages are anyways trading with divergence and bearishness. What has happened yesterday? We have seen a swing here, and the ultimate closing of the candle is in green. Yes, it has hit low and lows. It has hit higher highs as well. You can see towards the median as well, and ultimately closed in green. But today it is starting off on a bearish note. Now it is very important for the US 100 to trade below 19,200. See, once it trades below 19,200, the possibility of 19,000 will increase. And once it trades below 19,000, I think we are looking forward to a greater correction all the way towards 18,800, 18,500 levels very soon. But not to forget, things are getting oversold here. Also notice, if it has delivered swings, and hence at least till double top, you should not be treating Tech 100 as bullish. So 19,600, 660 should be the greater resistance zone here on the upside, and any move beyond 19,660 is a clear sign of 19,710, and 19,800 is also possible. But remember, things are staying oversold and are trading bearish as of now. Remember, when it was overbought, we did not question, and now it is staying oversold, so it can stay here for a while. So considering this, what I'll recommend a buying entry at 19,460 here. Expect 500, 540, 600. If 19,600 is taken, then 19,660. If 660 is taken, you can stay bullish for 19,710, 800. Beyond 800, no looking back. We can expect 20,000 levels, though appears a difficult case. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 19,360, 340 levels. Expect it to move all the way towards 19,300, 240, and then 19,180. Below 19,180, there is no looking back. 19,100 next, and below 19,100, we are looking forward to a greater correction all the way towards 19,000 and 18,800. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Let's go to Dow Jones. And before we proceed, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. If you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me or Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a stress-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now, what has happened in US 30 41,800 indeed is a greater resistance here, hitting 41,800. We have seen prices reversing and it is now consolidating in a zone. So 41,400 on the upside, 41,600 on the 41,600 on the upside, 41,400 on the downside. This is the box which US 30 has to come out of. See, these 3 to 4 candles, certainly 41,400 is now become a greater support zone. Stochastic at top, the MACD has crossed over here at the bottom, trading with bullishness here. RSI flat. On the 2 hour charts, and you see the observation is similar here. Notice after every drop it retraces and now it is under retracement. Though it is waiting for the 20 period to come down, it may hit 20 period and then reverse. Now 41,800 is one milestone which it needs to break, which is definitely going to act as a stronger resistance. Indicators are starting to show a little up move here on the smaller time frames, including 1H and 2H. When we look at 3 hour charts, similar observation here. See, this could be the reversal as well, and this could be the continuation of the momentum as well. If you see now it is staying below 41,550, 600 zone, stay bullish. You are looking forward to 41,700, 41,800 levels possibly. Beyond which possibility of a move all the way towards 41,920 and 42,000 cannot be denied. If it can drop sharp, it can rise sharp as well. Moving averages right now trading bearish, not yet willing to cross over. RSI oversold. On the 4 hour, the observation is similar, but notice the formation here drop, retracement drop, it is consolidating, and then once the next candle appears, it can deliver a massive down move here. See this? It can deliver a massive down move all the way towards 41,000, and below 41,000 we will look forward to 40,800. Stochastic has dropped the MACD and RSI. The indicators are definitely trading oversold here, but it does not mean that it cannot sustain the oversold levels for a while. Yes, these levels can be sustained. When you look at the daily charts, look at the daily charts. See, here one thing is important. Look at the body size here, diminishing bearishness. But at the same time, these both have left a tail on the downside, which suggests that the current candle can be with a smaller body size, but anyways might deliver a tail as well. And this also indicates that there is a strong possibility that we may see US 30 breaking below 41,000 levels. Stochastic oversold, MACD sharply bearish, RSI oversold. So considering this, what I'll recommend a buying entry at 41,540, 550. Expect 41,600, and once it trades beyond 41,600, 620, stay bullish for 41,700, 41,800 levels. Only and only if you see US 30 trading above 41,800 levels, you can just expect it to rise more all the way towards 42,000 and higher levels, though appears a difficult case. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry here at 41,440 levels. Expect 41,400, 300, and any point of time, US 30 trading below 41,300 should confirm the next move all the way towards 41,180 and 41,000 levels. Possibility is there that these levels might get breached today. Take your positions accordingly. Let's move to Germany40. The DAX has delivered a greater swing yesterday, hitting the lows close to 2240. We have seen it retracing. Now it is trading about 20 period after the retracement. So 20 period offering a good resistance here. I will wait for it to now trade beyond 22,550, 560 zone. Any move beyond 22,550, 560 should take it all the way towards 22,640, 650. And a move beyond 22,640, 650 should be an indication that we are looking forward to 22, 700 and 800 zone, which is going to remain the most critical, most strongest resistance zone on the upside. Moving averages, trading with divergence, stochastic overbought here. The MACD has crossed over, trading bullish, trading looking upwards. RSI is rising. Coming to 2 hour, similar is the observation on the 2 hour charts. After every drop, a retracement towards 20 period. Now this time again, it can try to retrace towards 20 period, where the 20 period is sitting at 22,600 levels, where the 50 and 100 are sitting at 22,800. So this is going to be the most critical resistance zone. First of all, is there a possibility to move towards this zone? Yes, there is a strong possibility. Second, can it be breached? Appears difficult. Yes, the indicators are starting to rise. The MACD after hitting the bottom has now crossed over. Good sign for the bulls. RSI, and likewise on the 3 hour chart. Similar observation is here. The moving average is crossing over here. Definitely is a bearish sign. And yes, the resistance is still towards 22,800 are very strong. Indicators are starting to show an up move here. The MACD, which has retraced sharp towards the bottom, is now willing to converge cross. RSI is trying to bounce back as well. And on the 4 hour charts, similar observation here on the 4 hour charts. After the top retracement, I will wait for the next candle. If with the next candle it trades above 21, 22,550, you can initiate a buying entry here. Now notice what has happened. These are the support levels for DAX. It has erased all the gains from here, and there is a slight gap also left here, so this may try to fill the gap very very soon. Thus it is very important for the DAX to trade below 22,200, 22,000 zone. Stochastic rising, MACD sharply bearish, RSI trying to bounce back, and on the daily, the observation on the daily chart is similar. See, after a long while, it is now closed below 20 period moving average. This is a very important sign. See, it has taken the support so far. It has breached this channel, and it is not a good sign for the bull. But the important thing is, it is taking the support from 22,200 levels. Very, very important for DAX to trade below 22,200, 22,000 zone. Second thing here is, see, yesterday's candle was a swing candle. We have seen a strong swing here all the way from 23 or 22,800, 900 zone to the bottom at 22,240. Now today, if you see it is staying below 22,400, you can expect another round of drop, which might take the prices all the way towards 22,200 levels. Stochastic has dropped, the MACD bearish, RSI flat. So looking at this, I will recommend a buy at 22 550, 560 zone, expected to move towards 22,600, which is going to remain the prime resistance, 22,660 the next. And if these two levels are taken, it's stay bullish for 22,750 and 22,800 zone. Only and only if it trades about 22,800, that's a reversal. Else the possibility of a drop cannot be denied. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 22,450. Expect 22,400, and if 22,400 is taken, stay short for 22,200 levels today itself. Below that, it might crash hard all the way towards 22k. Let's wait for this to happen. Till then, as long as today 22,200 is not taken, do not trade this as bearish as well. Trade accordingly. Let's move to UK. UK 100 is seeing getting resistance here from 8550. Very very important for it to trade above 8550 now, and the support levels all the way on the downside towards 8500 are pretty strong. So this is the 50-point zone which it has to come out of, and even if it trades below 8500, 8480 is the level which it needs to break. The indicators, the stochastic is almost flat, while the MACD has crossed over for a buy, and the RSI is almost flat here on the hourly charts, and similar is the observation on the 2-hour charts. Notice after every drop it retraces towards 20 period. Where is the 20 period sitting right now? 8570, 8560 zone. Possibility is there that it may strike this zone for once. Indicators are starting to rise, be it the MACD, RSI, stochastic on the early charts. Similarly, on the 3-hour charts, the observation though is similar, but I will wait for this to deliver a breakout here. In fact, even if you see it is staying above 8540, you can initiate a buy. Expect 8560, 8580 zone. Possibility is there. But look at the moving averages. These are trading with divergence. These are staying bearish, looking downwards. Stochastic rising, MACD bearish, RSI flat. On the 4-hour, the observation is more or less same, no, not any difference. And on the daily, now on the daily charts, one important part here is prices have come down to take the support from the 100 period average. Now see, this is the zone from where we had seen the rise. This is an expanding triangle, and a breakout is what you should expect. A breakout means a move below 8400. See, 8400 was the critical milestone previously. It is very very important for the FTSE 100 to trade below 8400. That will confirm the reversal process all the way towards 8200 and 8000 levels. Look at the two candles yesterday and day before. Swings are seen, lower highs and lower lows are seen. Where are the lows for this? All the way towards 8420, 8400 zone. Though things are oversold, but it's still having further room. So considering this, I will recommend you to buy here at 8532, expect 8545, 8560, and then 7885 or 8600. These are the 4 levels. You should watch out for any move beyond 8600. Should take it all the way towards 8625, 8650 levels, chances for which appears to be less. Only and only if it trades above 8650, treat this as buy. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 8495, expect 8480, 8475 first target zone, 8460 second, and if that is taken, then stay short for 8420 levels very very soon, possibly with the inflation data. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship by Join My Signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.